ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব সেন্টেন্স উইথ আলফাবেট নিয়ে। চলো ক্লাসটা শুরু করছি। তার আগে একটি কথা, তোমরা চ্যানেলটি ভালো করে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, শেয়ার করবে, লাইক করবে, কোথাও না বুঝতে পারলে কমেন্ট করবে, ঠিক আছে? তো চলো ক্লাসটা শুরু করছি আমরা। এ দিয়ে অ্যাপেল। আই এট অ্যান অ্যাপেল, দ্য অ্যাপেল ওয়াজ টেস্টি ডেলিশিয়াস। অ্যানিমাল, দ্য ডগ ইজ অ্যান অ্যানিমাল। এয়ার, the air is very hot, and are very small and helpful. Art, this art is very expensive. Arm, my arm hurts. And Rahid and Samiha are good friend. Age, my age is 25. Eggs, the eggs is very heavy. Aunt, she is my aunt. Aim, my aim is that I want to be a doctor. B দিয়ে ball. I have a ball bat. Ram has a bat. Big. This house is very big. Bus, I will go to school by bus. Book, I open the book. Baby, the baby is crying. Bed, this is a bed. The bed is broken. Brother, he is my brother. I have a brother. Boy, he is a small boy. Bag, I am holding your bag. Bird, the bird is flying. Bite, Rashid will bite the burger. Box, the box is empty. Bread, this bread is fresh. Busy, the business is busy. Break, Ram will break the plate. Samia broke the plate. Broke. See the cat. I have a gentle cat. Car, I have a fast car. Cow, and cow, that is red cow. Cup, there is a water in the cup. City, it is a big city. Cake, this cake is delicious. Chair, I am sitting on a chair. Coat, Samiha gave Rashid this coat. Cookie, this cookie is very soft. Child, she has a child. Cry, the baby is crying. Cold, it is very cold today. Cut, Rashid will cut Samia's hair. Come, I will come with, I will come to your house tomorrow. Children, the children are playing in the playground. Call, I will call you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Can, Ram will throw the can. Close, I close the door. Clean, I will clean my room. D দিয়ে dog, I have a pet dog. Door, the door is open. Day, today is a good day. Dad, he is my dad. Duck, he will eat a duck today. Doll, Samia bought a new doll. Drink, I want to drink water. Dance, I shall dance at the wedding. Ducks, desk, the book is on the table or desk. Dark, the room is dark. Down, I am walking down the stairs. Drive, I want to drive your car. Dream, I dream every night. Dress, this is a beautiful dress. Dry, the sand is dry. Dust, there is a dust on the table. Dirt, there is a dirt on the floor. He is a successful doctor. This pond is very deep. I have to dig a hole. Eat the eight. I want to eat breakfast. Egg. I like to eat egg. Elephant. The elephant is very big. Ear. My ear is clean. I will close my eye. Easy. This exam is easy. Earth. And the earth is round. End. This is the end of the movie. Enter. I will enter your house now. Exist, exist your house now. He has energy. I enjoy watching movie. I am excited for the concert. When the box is empty, I wake up early morning. This is an example. F, fun, the movie is fun. Food, I will eat food at 3 p.m. Friend, this he is my friend. Family, I have a beautiful family. Fish, fish. I like to eat fish with rice. Fast, my car is very fast. Find, I want to find my phone. Feel, I feel bad, I feel sad, I feel happy, I feel good. Face, your face is beautiful. Far, he is far from Dhaka. Full, the glass is full of water. Funny, he is a funny man. Fall, I am falling from my chair. Free, the bird is free. Finish, I will finish this race. Fine, fine, I am fine. The policeman gave reach a fire. Fire, fire. This fire, the fire is burning. 1 minute. The fire is the he is the first boy in the class. First day. G day. He is a good student. Game. I like this game. Girl, she is a pretty girl. Green. The flag of the Bangladesh is green and red. This food is great. I have to go to my school now. I will get a gift tomorrow. I will give a gift tomorrow. I have a big, beautiful garden. The gate is open. The gold is very expensive. The glass is broken. That is a giant tree. We are a good group. He is sitting on the ground. I have a gun. I want to give you a gift. I saw a ghost. I have many hats. House. This house is ours. This is our house. My hand is dirty. My head heart. I have a healthy heart. I happy. He is my happy woman. Help, I want help. The mountain is very high. It is hot today. I am standing here. I hope you will come to our house tomorrow. My leg hurts. My rock is very hard. This exam is very hard. This chair is very heavy. I am holding your bag. Ram will tell me how he cook rice. See, this is my home. My home is very clean. My hair is very rough. I feel hungry. I am hungry. I I am man. He is in the house. He will put ice in the water. He have I have an iron. I have to iron my clothes. I have a good idea. I have the cat is inside the room. The meeting is important. I should invite you to the party. I am interested. I can imagine had this pen has ink. This island is very beautiful. The boy is scared to insect. J. I will jump very high. There is a traffic jam. There's a traffic jam. I need a job. I feel joy. The jet is flying in the sky. The jar is open. The joke is funny. He will join the football. He will go to the jail. The juice is very sweet. The jacket is very expensive. I want to go to the jungle. The jelly is very fresh. He is a good kid. He is a good kid. I will give you my car key. My car key. He is the king of the country. I can keep the bag for you. My grandfather is very kind. Rashid will track to the ball. My mother kissed her baby. The kitchen is very clean. I am in the kitchen. The boy is very flying. The boy is very flying. The kite. I know the answer. The nip is very sharp. My nip hurts. He is knowing. Is knowing the door. Knowing the door. I love to watch. TV. I like kachi biryani. I like is very very bright. He is laughing now. The TV is very loud. 1 second. He is sleeping on the land. That is a tree. That is a tree. Large building. I will eat lunch with Rifat. I will leave after 5 minutes. I got a letter from my mother. He is an honest man. My mother cook well. The businessman has a lot of money. I wake up in the morning. Rashid should close this mouth. I love to listen to music. Then the dog moved from the sofa to the bed. I have I have a beautiful mind, and the computer is a helpful machine. Ram will finish the map. The mountain is very high. This milk is fresh. This moon. The moon is very bright tonight. I have 1 minute to finish the exam. I will say no to Ram. My name is Tanvir. Her nails are red. I have an exam now. This is a new phone. This is a nice picture. I sleep at night. She is a good nurse. Ram has a sharp nose. I am near you. I want to go to the next store. I need a pen. I need a sleep. I will never steal. The number of the student is 32. The nature is very beautiful. I have one pen. I have one pen. He is an old man. I want to go to outside, and the door is open. The owl is flying. The office is very busy today. The ocean is very deep. The octopus has eight legs. The orange is very sweet. The orange is very sweet. I hate onions. This is okay. Okay, I am okay. I will go to Cox Bazar once. My father ordered me to go to school. There are many people in the supermarket. There are many people in the supermarket. No, supermarket. This place is very nice. Very nice. I have a pencil. I want to pen. I want a pen. I like to eat potato. I have a phone. I go to the park every day. I have every I have very nice parents. I have very nice parents. Puppies are cut. I want a piece of cake. The paper is wet. This is a beautiful picture. He is a bad person. He is a bad person. I have a question. She is the queen of the country. The quality of the table is very good. He can run quick. He is a quick boy. The quantity of the pencil is 5. The dress is red. I should run to school. The rope is very rough. The rope is very long. The rose is red. The rock is very hard. I am reading a book. The earth is round. The rabbit is jumping. He is a rich man. It is raining today. The room is very hot now. I will go right. And this is an expensive ring. And the rich is tasty. The rice is tasty. The I will buy a radio. Ram is resting. I will reach to Dhaka. I will reach Dhaka at 5 p.m. I can ride a motorcycle. I will return at after 5 minutes. The sun is very bright today. She is smiling. I am listening to a song. I am singing a song. I will sing a song. There is a sand in the beach. Samia is sad. There are many stars in the sky. I will stop at your house. I stop studying. I will say you name. I can see a bird. I am sitting on a chair. I need to sleep. And then the rabbit is very small. I love my school. My sister is very nice. The sky is blue. The chocolate is very sweet. He is a strong man. The car is very slow. He is wearing a sock. TDA, I need more time. I need more time. This is a nice table. I want to go to school today. I will go to school tomorrow. I like to talk with my mother. He is thinking about this exam. I will try to pass. I will try to pass. He is a tall boy. He is in our team. The train is bad. The train is red. The tree is very big. This is true. This is true. The test is hard. The teacher is very kind. Very kind. He is 10 years old. I want to thank you. I will turn right. This is small town. I will buy a toy for you. The tiger is dangerous. I will I will use my computer. I will use my computer. He is combining up to three. The cat is hiding under the table. The umbrella is red. My uncle is very rich. I can understand the math. Usually I play football with my friends usually until I will play football with my friends until 3 p.m. As Ram give us a book quick. She is a quick teacher, unique teacher, unique. Very physics is very hard. Village the village is very beautiful. This is my village vacation. I want to go to on vacation visit. I will visit the zoo tomorrow. Voice was he has a nice voice. The value of the car is of the car is low. The van is blue. Vegetable are healthy victory. I want victory tomorrow. The violin. I have a violin. I have a violin. I have a violin. Wait. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I am walking to school. Water. I want to drink water. The way of the school is dirty. I want a new phone. Warm. The weather is warm. Wash. I need to wash my hands. Watch. I have a new watch. Wave. There are waves in the sea. The whale has water. Wet. The clothes are wet. White. My shirt are white. Wind. The wind is cold. The window is open. Water. Winter. I love winter. With Sathe. I am with my friends now. I am with my friends now. I work with Rashid. World. I want to travel the world. Right. I will write a letter. X X-ray. I have to get an X-ray. Z zoo. I will go to zoo today. Zero. I got a zero in the math exam. Jeep. I will zip up the jacket. Zebra. The zebra is eating grass. Zoom. You should zoom into the picture. তো চলো আমরা ক্লাসটা এখানেই শেষ করছি। ভালো লাগলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, শেয়ার করবে, কমেন্ট করবে। কোথাও না বুঝতে পারলে কমেন্ট করে জানাবে। তো চলো ক্লাসটা এখানেই শেষ করছি।